In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove wrinkles and blemishes in GIMP, perfect for beginners who want to enhance their portrait editing skills. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful, free-to-use software that offers a range of tools for editing images with professional precision. Whether you're sprucing up a portrait for a project or just for fun, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to achieve a smooth, blemish-free look. First, begin by opening the portrait photo you wish to edit. To do this, launch GIMP. Click on the File menu at the top left corner and select Open. Navigate through your directories to find the photo file you want to work on, and click Open to load it into GIMP. Having the right resolution and a well-lit photo will make your editing process much smoother and effective. Next, to tackle those blemishes and wrinkles, you'll be using either the Heal tool or the Clone tool. These are found in the toolbox to the left. The Heal tool is symbolized by a bandage icon, while the Clone tool looks like a rubber stamp. The Heal tool blends perfectly with the surrounding skin tone, making it ideal for removing small blemishes, whereas the Clone tool allows for more direct replication of textures and is particularly useful for larger areas. Before you begin editing, you need to sample or select a portion of the clear skin as a reference point. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then click on an area of clear skin near the wrinkle or blemish you want to remove. This acts as your source point for either tool, allowing it to mimic the chosen skin texture in the areas you wish to alter. Now it's time to carefully paint over the wrinkles and blemishes. When using the Heal or Clone tool, gently click and drag over the affected areas. It's important to adjust the brush size for more precision and to avoid creating noticeable edges. Small increments are usually best. GIMP allows you to adjust these settings in the tool options beneath the toolbox. Depending on the detail and size of the area, you might need to resample the skin reference occasionally to maintain a natural look. Remember, patience is key. Take your time to ensure a seamless blend with the surrounding skin. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively use GIMP to erase wrinkles and blemishes, enhancing the overall quality of your portrait photos. The key is practice. Like any skill, the more you work with these tools, the more intuitive and skilled you will become. Whether you're using this technique for professional or personal projects, you're now equipped to bring your images to life with clarity and a professional finish.